The 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.